Market research involves gathering, analysing and interpreting data. It provides companies with crucial information that can help them make better strategic business decisions and improve their chance of success. Kate Watson is Research Manager at Opinion Research in London.
Market research can be used to help a business grow and develop. It can be used to help launch a new product into the market and test its appeal. It can help a brand with its performance and effective communications, through to helping a company with customer satisfaction and employee satisfaction.
In order to generate the information needed, some companies have in-house market research teams, while others outsource projects to specialist companies. Market research is big business, but regardless of who is doing the work, there are specific methods for collecting the information.
Market researchers gather information in two main ways. This is done either through primary research or secondary research. Primary research consists of gathering new data from consumers, and this can be in the form of surveys, focus groups or in-depth interviews, for example.
Surveys gather responses from a large number of people, giving information about attitudes and behaviour towards particular products or issues. Focus groups bring together a small number of carefully selected people to explore their perceptions of a product or an issue. They provide an in-depth analysis of opinion and may reveal information not anticipated by the researcher. Although the groups are small, findings from focus groups are a guide to the reactions that can be expected from a larger population. However, collecting such detailed data in this way can be costly. Luckily for small businesses and startups unable to afford these approaches, there are other more cost-effective alternatives.
One good way to do market research, which is more affordable, is through online surveys, and they're also a very efficient way of researching the market. What you can also do is think about the sample size you use when looking at a particular audience and reducing that to make it more affordable.
Whereas primary market research involves gathering entirely new data, secondary market research is based on data that has already been compiled. It's also known as desk research. Like primary market research, it is often carried out by specialist companies who charge for this service, though it is less expensive than primary research.
Secondary research consists of data that already exists and is publicly available. You then collate all that information and provide analysis on that. You can find this data through various sources, including government reports and statistics, companies' websites and brochures, through to academic publications, for example. Secondary market research can be used for various different things to help with the business. For example, if a business is looking to launch a new product or service offering, the secondary data can look at what else competitors are doing within that space, and therefore helps the company provide a product that's going to be different and helps make them stand out in the marketplace.
Whether primary or secondary, the key to useful market research is to plan carefully and keep it relevant in order to gain the most valuable feedback and insights on which future strategy can be based.
It's all about finding out who the target audience is and then how to communicate effectively to them.